Welcome back, guys. This is the second day. I want to say second day because yesterday Steve was meant to be here, but obviously he was injured. I want to say injured, but he had a mad migraine. So now we're back here trying to basically mix up all the primer and start preparing
right, so we are in the process of primering the bumpers, the side skirts, all the fiberglassy stuff. We are meant to be in the new unit next door, but lovely landlord has delayed it some more, so we now got to make my workshop a temporary booth to get this shit done.
As you can see, this side is all covered up.
Yeah.
And now Steve made a little bench here, basically mixing up all the stuff that he needs to get mixed up, and then get the obviously he wants to show off his new gun. It's not that exciting.
I'd just like to shout out to, I don't even know how to say it, Duran, whoever they are.
Yeah.
These little guns, they're like, I think they're like 40 quids, 50 quids.
Yeah.
2mm 1.8 and that, perfect for laying primers, polyesters on, and then when you're done, throw it away.
That's it.
Yeah. Oh shit, nah, stop videoing, bro.
Nah, this is, I want to show you your little bench here.
Oh, don't show people. Should be set up next door, man, all like nice and shit.
So there's the primer here, all the things, the hardener, he's gone. What's this?
What's what?
That's the hardener, isn't it?
So that's your hardener.
That's the primer. What's this?
That's your thinners.
That's it then.
Mixing cups.
That's it.
Some spanner for the gun.
Yeah.
The gun. Mixing stick.
Yeah.
And a cracking bench.
And the body kit's here.
Yeah.
That's gonna get primer now. I think we'll start with this one first.
Yeah.
As you can see, it's all ready. It's all ready to get fresh primer laid on there, and then go from there. As you can see, Stevie is laying the first layer of the primer. Pretty much done the first layer. I think the second layer now. It's all nice, white, one piece in a primer color. Now we got all this left to do, and then go from there. How's it? It came out nice?
Yeah, it looks nice as well. Cover it well.
Yeah, it came out real nice.
Can't see it was a
two-piece before.
Cheapskate bumper. It's a proper bumper now.
Yeah.
And then yeah, I might just give it one more light coat, just so I know it's where it needs to be.
Yeah.
And then we'll throw it off the stand and start getting the other stuff ready. Just go from there. Day of primary.
Day of primary, so hopefully we get all done by today, and then go from there. So stay tuned.
Right. So yeah, basically, just a little bit of glide coat on there now. So when we block it down, ready for paint.
Yeah.
We can get all the little imperfections out. We'll know we've blocked that area because white is just the worst thing to block down. And then obviously give it a nice key when it goes to paint. Look at that one piece now. Oh,
all one piece.
Oh,
yeah, it looks so much better. So yeah.
Stop zooming in. Go away.
So we just got just basically just doing that quickly, and then we can do the rest as well, and then go from there. The front bumper obviously is done. He just basically done the rear fenders, and then now he's doing the other one. And then he already done the two front wings. I'll show that to you guys later. And then now we got only few bits left, which is the rear bumper and 2 rear old fenders, and then the side skirt that needs touching up, and then go from there. So quick update, basically we've pretty much done, well, Stevie pretty much done all the primer on the body kit. Well, just like obviously going back, you will not think these bumpers are right now used to be 2-piece, because it looks crazy, isn't it, Stevie?
Yeah, they come out well. Even the side skirts come out nice.
Like, let's start with side skirts. You would not think this used to be 2-piece side skirts, and now obviously they're in the primer color ready to get painted. Obviously the front bumper, that's pretty much done. Look, you will not think that used to be 2-piece. Same with the rears, all in 1 piece. That's the real fenders. The other 2 bits are on the top
of the side.
Yeah,
2 wings are done. Everything's done. So all the fiberglass is now prepped and primed. We'll let it cure right off, and then we'll start fitting the car up, because we're going to shoot it all on the car as one. So yeah, stay tuned for an evening sesh.
What, Wednesday?
Yeah, Wednesday, Thursday, you know, so I don't know.
Yeah, I think I'll probably just gonna make it as a 1 video.
Yeah. Yeah, and then it's all ready to rock and roll. So then we'll be shooting some paint.
Yeah. So. So I'll see you guys on Wednesday. I'll be back here Wednesday evening, and then me and Steve can basically, like you said, put everything together and then get the car painted, and then yeah. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you on Wednesday. I cannot say like, subscribe, and share, because back at we're back at back at Steve's workshop. Today we basically came here to do some painting, but I don't know the plan, so we'll tell you what the plan is for today.
Yeah, so get all the panels fitted to the car.
Yeah.
And then we'll get prepping, prep all the panels on the car, just makes life a lot easier. Whip them all back off, and then paint all the edges the magic colour. And then start fitting up, and then hopefully we'll get masking ready to shoot some paint over the weekend.
You know, Stevie, you said this paint is fake for last.
Yeah, come on, man. Your car's hard work, and I've got a million other things to do.
Yeah.
We're building FIA Cortinas. We're building, you know, stuff's going on continuous. And
there's a lot of things going on in this workshop.
Yeah.
But obviously, my car it's not priority right now.
No, it's not priority. It's not. But it's getting done.
Yeah. We could be putting the body kit together.
Yeah. Get it all on. Get all the bash bars taken off, get them all in etch primer.
So,
yeah, there's this body kit all laid out.
That's all the body kits are here.
All 1 piece now.
All the 1 piece, all primed, ready for paint today. So,
yeah,
we'll be putting the body kit together. Wow, what are you doing?
DA-ing all your parts.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the plan.
Cracking. Well, now we need to get some juice. Come on.
So we put all the body kit together, and then go from there. And today, hopefully, we just went to get some drinks from Sainsbury's. Oh man, it's not working. It's not working. But we rolled up in the 640i. It's 640i, isn't it? Feel like we ain't paid in full movie.
You, man. You know what I'm saying? I got a G for every bump on your face, nigga. Whatever you want, man.
Not 640.
Not 640?
It's an 840.
It's 8 series.
Real car.
Go back to the workshop.
Secret place. You really baked it out.
No, this is a secret location. This is like the Area 51.
Secret.
Restriction area. Restricted area. Do not come here, otherwise you get pow. You'll get that ratatata.
Is that how I go? I don't remember that shit.
Oh, fuck. Seriously, you said what the fuck was that?
Stevie.
Yeah. Don't video me on the floor.
Bruv, it's okay.
No. Too fat for that shit, G.
I'm not recording the whole.
Don't be recording, cuz.
Listen, what's happening? What's happening?
Basically,
right now,
what should have been done first is the bumpers should have been made one piece.
yeah.
Then the bash bar should have been done to that. But because the bash bars have been done to the bumpers flopping around.
When it was 2-piece, yeah.
When it's 2-piece, now the issue we have is the bumpers hitting the bash bar. So right round it, we'll just trim the fiberglass.
Trim where?
Here.
Yeah.
Round there, a little notch in it.
Yeah.
And then it will go back, and we'll obviously have to trim that side once we start getting it back. But yeah, it's all fun and games, mate. So
I just have to deal with these shitty bash bars right now.
Yeah.
Sucks.
Annoying.
Because we literally now this is gonna set up back what, like a couple of
hours?
Not hours, we just cutting that bit off, man.
Yeah, no, but we've got to make it look pretty, innit? Oh.
But the number will cover that bit, so I'm not too fussed about it.
Okay.
You need to remember, this is not a show car. This is to get abused and abused.
Looks good and it's not.
Listen, we're not riding a slow with low riders and shit. Alright? It's a different game. This is the fun game. Slow.
Fun game.
This is the fun game. And yeah, and we have another issue here where the bash bar is basically sitting way too out. I don't know what happened there. And now the body kit is not even lining up against here. Yeah. This bit seems to be fine. We just need to do a little adjustment, but it'll fit there perfectly. But other than that, it's not looking good. Everything with the everything to do with the bash bar right now, it's not looking good. So we'll do some little trimming here, and then go from there.
Not too much, just a little bit of weight.
Not the whole. We're having an issue with the bash bar because the front bumper won't fit. Because the person that done it wasn't really thinking about that the bumper is in 2-piece. And now we're having an issue because now the bumper is 1-piece. It just everything's off. So yeah, we've gone through a bit of shitty moment because today we had a good plan of basically painting the car, and that's not happening right now. We have to deal with this issue first before we even decide to paint. So yeah. Another day, another day that we're not even. Are we going to paint today?
We were prepping today.
Okay.
And we was going to get the under colours done. So we can put the over fenders on. You know? So when you still crash it and your over fenders fall off.
Crash it? Nah.
Still coloured.
No crashing. We're not crashing no car, bro.
Well, you drift boys.
Yeah.
Lampposts, trees, you know what I mean?
No.
It's just a vibe.
Never did that before, never will.
Yeah, 320 is fine. Or that.
Yeah, Stevie gave me 320 to do a little, and then he's gonna do the rest. I don't know, Stevie, what are you doing the rest? You doing the body kit? I mean the rest of the
Yeah, I'm starting to prep the rest of the car now.
Yeah.
With some 320, first one. With a little air DA.
Yeah.
And then finish it all in 600. So you can do all the hard draw.
Yeah, this is not. It's not allowed me to get a DA.
No.
I need to do this.
No.
Give me the DA pads. No. I have to do this with my hands. Because if I got DA, I might go a bit crazy. It's like you're giving a kid to a machine gun. I don't know.
Watch him. What is that? What's going on there? Oh, sheet's glass.
Time to put out that. Think on it, yeah?
I'm not doing finger off.
No. You only time to put a finger on it. It's taking too long, so I took it off here. And now.
Yeah, but now you're just putting grooves in there. Get into the grooves. You know what I mean? Like that's why the block is the whole point. Keep it nice and flat.
Yeah, it takes very long.
Do you want it to look nice?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Go back to your mixing MC shit, whatever that was. Should we say experience with the
Bash bar. Yeah.
front end, should we say? Yeah, so now it's pushed us back a little bit, but
The plan was basically to get the car painted today.
well, no, it was get the under bits painted so we could throw the over fenders back on and everything like that. So, like I said earlier, if you do decide to lose a rear fender, it will still look colour.
Yeah.
You just said the colour. Well done, you.
What did I say?
You're an idiot.
Did I say it?
Yeah.
Leave it out, As you heard what he said, the car will probably get painted next week, is it?
Yeah, we'll go for next week.
And then basically that'll be a new video. It won't be in this video, it'll be in next video, next Sunday coming up. And hopefully we should get done everything by this week coming up. And then should we reveal we're not gonna reveal the color then, no?
Nah, we're gonna do it.
We'll probably reveal the color once it's all done. But you guys will see anyway, so stay tuned for the next video. Hope you guys like the video, like, subscribe, and share. Peace out, I'll see you guys next time.